Hey guys, this is Mopar Wholesale Parts here, and what I'm going to show you guys today is the Redeye Spoiler. The spoiler will fit Challengers from 2008 models and up. What we have here on our right is a 2013 Dodge Challenger and a 2019 Dodge Challenger. So this is your Redeye Spoiler here. This is what the spoiler looks like. So here we have the back part of your Redeye Spoiler. I'm going to show you what's back here. So we got your screws that go on the side. We have your backup camera connection there. We got 4 clips there, there, and there. And the red piece there is a 3M tape. And we also have the middle piece here that goes through the middle part of the trunk, and also your other side screw. So this is what the Dodge Challenger Redeye Spoiler looks like on the newer models. On the 2015 and newer models, the backup camera is just a quick plug and play. It is very easy for you to install if you already had a previous spoiler, just because you'll be able to remove that one and it should be an exact bolt-on fitment from the previous spoiler. On a Challenger that doesn't have a spoiler, just do your best on drilling and measuring so you can see where you want it. So on the older Challengers, like this one here, we don't have the holes for the clips, but if you want it to be completely secure, you will have to drill holes in your trunk, all the 4 holes to connect, those other clips there. But it's easy to remove. All you do is slide it over and you take them off, but it's pretty much the same way to install it like it is on the new Dodge Challenger, just a little bit different. When I had to put this piece on here on my trunk, I actually had to drill a little bit more up for it to completely be settled, because from the old spoilers that we have, it wasn't bolted on the same. The camera will not work on earlier models unless you add some aftermarket components. If you're not going to use it, you can easily remove that and just tuck it inside here. So the screws here are the ones that are going to go through the end part of your trunk. These ones usually come on your OEM spoiler, but do you see how it goes through here? And your previous spoiler should have these little nuts that once you put the screw in through the trunk, you're able to just put that on so it stays still. So see how it gives it a better look to it? So this is what the older Dodge Challenger with the Redeye spoiler looks like. And here we have your newer model Dodge Challenger, and this is what the spoiler looks like. Trying to get every little angle here. Well, if you guys are interested in the Redeye spoiler, this is what the newer model Dodge Challenger looks like and your older model Dodge Challenger looks like. Why would you want to add the rear spoiler? Well, it gives it a really nice look. Why not enhance the look of your vehicle's appearance? The spoiler is molded for strength and good looks, and is designed exclusively to match the lines of the vehicle for a sporty appearance. So if you're interested in the Redeye spoiler, it will be in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mopar Wholesale Parts, and follow us on our Instagram page, Mopar Wholesale Parts. Thanks for watching.